Hey up and welcome to Callum's Corner. Welcome to the next video in my Try Not to React challenge. So the premise is this: I'm going to do something, watch something, eat something, experience something gross, nasty, painful, and basically I've got to try not to react to it in any way. So today we are going to step it up a level with Bean Challenge. Here they are. Decanted into a bowl for our of use. What I'm going to do, I'm going to eat them, and if it's a good one, I'm just going to give you a little smile to let you know it's a good one. If it's a gross one, I'm going to do no reaction at all. Right, I just opened the box and it smelled like a combination of arse and Callum, so this really is going to be difficult. Black person to start with. Now, black can be either, look it up, it can be either skunk spray or skunk spray. Okay, right, I've got a couple of black ones. I'm gonna go for this one. It's skunk spray. I'm alright with skunk spray. I like it particularly, but it's preferable to skunk spray, let's be honest. Okay, that was easy. That was easy. First one done. Done it. I think I can challenge myself. This little washing roulette. I'm gonna have another one of these because I feel like this challenge is almost too easy at the moment. So here we go. Bath or maybe peach again. It's peach again. It's just peach. Actually quite tasty. Right. Come on, one more. One more. This one's got to be bath, isn't it? Let's see if I can challenge myself. No reaction. Oh. Oh.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head.
Smells like instantaneous. That's disgusting. It really made me red. Sorry, now the grills.